How to send voice message on Telegram. Hello everyone, this is a Hazel here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's get started. First of all, open Telegram application on your device and go to the chat where you want to send the voice message. Here, as you can see, there is no option of sending the voice message as it has been hide. Here you'll get the option of texting the message and sending the video and copying the link here. So to switch to the voice mode, you just have to tap on this camera icon and here you'll get the voice icon, and here you just have to tap and hold on it for some time to send the message. Here tap and allow. Okay, so after that tap and after that your voice message will be sent to the person, or you can decide to cancel it. So in this way you can send the voice message in Telegram. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and hit the bell for the updates. That's all for now and I'll catch you in the next one.